Hey babies. Hey Ruth. Hey Esther. Making a video for Daddy. Yeah. Look how we rearranged the cage. So the sleeping thing is over the food, but it's blocking off the food and they sit in it anyway and poop, so it's going to get in there either way. But the hamster wheel is down here, out of the way, and we moved some of the stuff around. So right now they've just pretty much been eating nonstop. Seeds everywhere. Plexiglass will be good. They are hungry. You hungry, babies? Are you babies hungry? Huh? Are you babies hungry? Are you stretching? So they've been listening to bird sounds all day. Right now they're too busy eating to sing, but oh, you're not too busy to sing. Huh? Sing for me. Come on, sing for me, babies. Yeah. That's Ruth. Ruth is singing for you. Hey, Esther, you singing too? Sing for Daddy. Sing for Mommy and Daddy. Come on, babies. Sing. Look at her. She just popped her head up to look at the camera. Hey. Hey, pretty birds. Hey, pretty birds. Come on, birdies. Sing for Mommy. That's funny how they sang on cue before. Yeah, we're looking at you. See how curious they are? They're always looking. They're not really scared of anything. Let me pet them today. Hey, babies. Look at Esther. She just randomly opens up her beak and yawns all the time. Ain't that right, Esther? You like to open up your mouth? So I've pretty much named them. The name's just kind of stuck. Hey, Ruth, you stretching? See, they're so comfortable now that they can stretch and eat. Hey! See, oh, they're having a fight. They're fighting. See, this is what they do. Ruth starts screaming, and then they both start screaming at each other, flying around the cage. Crazy birds. You see, they're getting playful. What you doing, you crazy things? What you doing? Ruth, you are insane. Oh, she got on the swing. Ruth, you're crazy. And now she's getting on the hamster wheel. Oh, got stuck down there a little bit. Ruth, why are you so crazy? Huh? You're a crazy bird. Yeah. Esther, you're a bit more calm. You're the calmer one of the bunch. They're talking to each other. Are you guys friends? Friends who bicker? I think so. Daddy's gonna love this video. Yeah. Are you preening? Are you preening? Oh, you want attention now? Is that why you're screaming? What is it, Esther? What is it? What is it, pretty bird? You're very curious about the camera. What is it, Ruth? What is it, pretty birds? You guys are cuties. Cute to boot. Too cute to boot. Yeah. And chatty, excitable little bunch. This light that we put in really helped them wake up. They had a little encounter with Fergie earlier, but they're okay. Hey. Hey, baby. Yeah. Ruth. Esther. They really like it when you talk to them. You guys like when I talk to you? Yeah? You do? You like when I talk to you? They really do. They sing when I talk to them. I wonder if they will do it when I turn the music off. Oh, now you're acting crazy again. Why are you guys so crazy? Seriously, you're strange little... This one is a nut. The blue one... The blue one is a nut.